Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today I will be showing you how to get mods for Sims 4. I know a lot of people don't really know about this, but I always wanted it, so today I will be showing you how to get Sims 4 mods. So first you need to go into Finder. Then you want to go into Documents. Would probably be right here. Then you want to go in Electronic Arts, The Sims 4. Then you want to go into Mods folder. I didn't make it. Then don't do anything with this resource config, or else it will just mess up the game. So then you download a mod from Safari. Just search up Sims 4 mods. You can go on the top one or the second one. I like the second one. So say you want the dress. You would click the files, dress 1 zip, click that, and it would say package. Make sure it says that. So you can make folders to organize them. Sometimes it would come like this. So I just put it in the folder to make it all nice and neat. So I could just put dresses. Oh, and the boys' shirts or pants don't really work good, so yeah. And I'm just creating a folder for shirts too, to keep it all nice and to know where mods are. And let's just X that out. It might take a while, so I'll pause the video during the loading screen. So yeah, and if I get 2 likes, I'll play Fortnite. Okay guys, it loaded. You see I have a Victorian set here. And then I have the fox shirt and the dress and the dog thing. And make sure the first thing you do is go into game options, other script mods. Then I'll show you.
Meshka Frothy Mesa. Steve!
Then if we go into her clothes, see, I have that box shirt. And also, if we go on to cat, if we go into dog, and it's big, we go into pet clothing, tops, back in, see? And to also show you, it has a Victorian set. Oh, it has the Batman symbol. And it will work in game. No. I thought I don't care about anything.
Oh, sad now.
Her name is just gonna be low. Low. exit it. And I'll get back to you when it loads. Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah. When I said the thingamajig, I forget. Anyway, I said I am going to show you how the set works or something. So like comfort a bed. See, this is the bed that it came from. Like it always has a screw like that. You can place how many you want, or a couch, a sofa. And it also comes in different colors. Love seat. It doesn't come with a bench. Or you can just do whatever you want. So, no matter what, it's a mod and a mod. And a little bonus cheat is if you press Shift, Control, and C. A little bar would pop up here. Then you can type mother L-O-A-D. L-O-D-E. Like that. And then you press enter and you get 50,000. Alright guys, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!